Right, before I start talking about this charging station, something I need to tell you, and it's a disclaimer. I never actually bought this. Alxum actually sent it to me, and I've also already made a video about this product. So this is just a bit of an update if you're interested to see how I'm getting on with it, and tell you whether or not I think it's well worth the money. So with that, shall we get on with it? Right, like I said, I've had it for a few months now, and yeah, I use it every single day. I have normally about 4 different devices plugged in at any one time. It can do up to 8 different devices at any one time. It has it has 7 USB connections and 1 Type-C connection. And I normally have 2 tablets plugged in, like that. Occasionally I'll plug in my phone, and I normally have 2 power banks, these little babies here, because I use them nearly every single day. So I always like to make sure they're fully charged, because these actually charge up, or one of them charges up my recorder, my voice recorder. Normally the bigger one, I normally have that one plugged in, and the other one I normally, if I'm going out and about, I will use this little baby here. So I wanted to give you a bit of an update because, like I said, I've had it for quite a while now, and you know, you get a sort of feel of what you really think about a product after you've had it for quite some time. And like I said, I've had it for a few months. So yes, definitely well worth the money. I like the fact you have 2 options. You can either have it so it's laid out like it is now, which is what I prefer, or you can connect it to this bracket, this little baby here, which I actually made a little video about how to connect it and, you know, do all the little things. So yeah, very pleased with it. It's not the cheapest out there, but it does everything it's supposed to do. It has a fast charger on it. It's got a built-in fast charger, so if you need something charged up really fast, it will charge them up. It produces up to 96 watt of power in total. And like I said, it has 8 ports, 1 Type-C connection, and the rest are all USB. And one is a Type 3.0 fast charger, so which is really handy. It has a maximum output of 96 watts, 8 ports like I said earlier, 1 Type-C, 1 quick charge which is 3.0, and the rest are normal. It actually tells you that there are 2.4 amps output maximum on the USB ports, quick charging at 3.0 USB port, USB Type-C port, and a light indicator. Yeah, there's a little lot on it to tell you it's got power and, you know, it should be working. So like I said, I use it every single day, and you know, if I had to buy it, I think it's well worth the money. It can do up to 8 different devices at any one time, which I think is really good. It has different options for how you wish to set it all up. Like I said, I prefer it flat, and it comes with these little things here, which are, you get, I think there's 8. Yeah, I think there's 8 in total, and you have about 4 big ones. I'm just checking. 1, 2, 2 big ones. I think I might have some spare ones actually in a cupboard over there. So yeah, I think it comes with about 8. I think you get 4 big ones and 4 little ones. These little things here, which are really handy because, you know, you have loads of different connections. You can make them a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, depending on the devices. Because I like them to sit slightly back, so they're leaning, you know, rather than being dead straight. I think they look better. And yeah, it really does work. Like I said, I use it every single day. It sits on my charging station at the back. I have other devices for charging up other things, but perfect for what I need. Like I said at the beginning, I didn't actually buy it. Alxum sent it to me for free, and yeah, definitely gives my thumbs up. Like I said, I've had it for a few months, so I thought it was about time I told you what I really think about it. And yeah, I'm glad I got it. Like I said, it didn't cost me no money. But one of the other things you might be interested in, if you're still watching, is the fact at the time of making this video, they are doing a giveaway, and I will stick a link in the video description to their Twitter account, and I do believe it's Facebook account. If you go to them sites, they are doing some giveaways right now. So hopefully by the time you've seen this video, they might still be doing it, but I cannot guarantee that. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money, it's free, and it does help the channel to carry on growing. Thank you very much for watching. Ta-da!